Hello from Cookbook Divas. This is Carrie and I miss throwing parties. Because of the pandemic, I'm only throwing them in my backyard. And I live in Seattle, so it's going to be raining for months. But we're going to do some bonfires on the non-rainy days. So maybe I can throw outdoor parties again. But I felt like looking through this entertaining cookbook, Sasha in Good Taste, Recipes for Bites, Feasts, Sips, and Celebrations by Sasha Pieterse, or Pieterse. I'm not sure how to say that, sorry. Came out in 2019. Oh, they give you a place this book belongs to write your name. I can't write it because this is a library book. So this is a preview of what's ahead in the cookbook. Sasha in Good Taste. She definitely has good taste. Ooh, did I skip something? And photographs by Elizabeth Messina, and so far they are gorgeous. Day Street is the book publisher. And here's our author dedicating the book to her loving husband. Here's the table of contents. But why though? Savory, sweet, sips, party prep, it's all in the details, and let's celebrate. Party prep is very important, and it is all in the details. So she gives us a welcome note. I'll read it later. How to read a recipe, tips, etc. Forgot it. What if you have to have ingredient substitutions because you're not running to the store at the last minute? Yes, tools and tips. I'll definitely look through these later. But why though? I think she's going to talk about her entertaining philosophy or something. Not sure. Healthy alternatives to sweeteners. Okay. First chapter, savory. Let's see what's in here. Melon skewers. I'm assuming they're skewing them with meat. Stuffed jalapenos. I'm liking her step-by-step photos here. Cute. Pretzels. I've never made pretzels for a party. I've made them during a party, like we had a pretzel making party. Pretzel dip to go along with them. Hey, that's smart. Blackberry lemon toast. Ooh, that would be great at a cocktail party. Avocado toast. You know, 20 years from now, when people are looking back at cookbooks from this decade, they're going to be like, what was with the avocado toast? You don't need a recipe in every cookbook. Just smear it on there. Summer salad. Beautiful. Adulting spaghetti. Ooh. Burrata meatballs. Wow. Wow. Okay, skipping ahead. Next chapter, we're in sweet. This will be fun. Greek yogurt parfait. I like this because you can make it ahead of time as long as you have a second fridge to store them all in cold. I love making stuff ahead of time. Secret pudding. Do I see her putting avocados in there? Putting avocados in there. Get it? See what I just did there? Fruit cones. Cute. Again, you can assemble it. Cookie dough balls. Dirty Diana cookies. Not sure what's going on there. Michael Jackson. Banana bread. I usually make it from a box mix. Whiskey cupcakes. I want to go to this party. Yes. Oh, look at this beautiful cake. I think it's from the front cover. Ooh. Okay, this is just gorgeous. I would love to go to a party and be served a cake that looks like that. That's not a wedding because I don't want to get married. We're already in the sips chapter and I'm getting thirsty. Lavender electric lemonade. That sounds good. Hudson's martini, the way her husband likes to make it. Spicy mango margarita. Lovely photos. Sneaky sangria. What's so sneaky about it? Does it knock you on your butt? Lush lemonade. Strawberry lemonade with basil. I bet they had so much fun recipe testing these. Now we're in the party prep chapter. Not sure what's going to go on. Just tips. What's the occasion, etc. Do you want an adults only party? Yes, I do. And this is my chance to rant. I would have a friend and I would send them a cocktail party invitation, and the cocktail party starts at 7 p.m. and they'd ask, can I bring my kids? First of all, the word cocktail in the invitation means no. Second of all, 7 p.m. should be bedtime, so no. And third, you don't ask, it's rude. No kids. Okay. I throw lots of parties for children in the daytime that do not involve cocktails. I love children, but not at cocktail parties. Quick party tips. Letters and numbers. Is this the budgeting for the party? I'm not sure what's happening. Party favors. I don't think anyone gives favors away anymore. Let's celebrate. I think it's party themes, like a paint party, a cigar bar, anniversary party tips, for the love of fur babies party, a paint party, etc. Wild thing. Okay, you get the drift. This is a lovely little book. I can't wait to turn off the camera and go explore it by myself. No offense to you guys. Thanks for watching. But I want to take my time and read it, probably with my glasses on. So that was Sasha in Good Taste by Sasha Pieterse, or Pieterse, sorry. If you'd like to see more of our cookbook look-throughs and reviews, visit the cookbookdivas.com website. We also post to Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, of course. We occasionally post to Pinterest, and we have a podcast. If you'd like to look for it, it's Cookbook Divas Podcast. Bye.